So how did you get here?
132.
Let me guide you to the table.
Okay.
Let me introduce you. I'm John Chen.
Yes.
Director.
你好，340到37。重点在需要这个。
Governor, and we'd like to have his Representative Trevor Wong here to read a proclamation for us.
Inviting Governor Wilson to be part of this wonderful celebration. Our governor regrets not being able to join us this evening. However, as Chinese American and as the Deputy Director of the Office of Community Relations, I am very proud to represent him.
The year is still new. Let me give you warm wishes and wish you all have a very happy new year. And as everyone knows, this is the year of red. And the year of red is a spirit. It's the spirit of the great leadership and the spirit of the creation. I think
接下来我们请这个各位乡亲、各位贵宾，我今仔日的工作是来介绍这个罗大伟先生，今仔日咱的晚会这个主要的这个演讲者，所以我先用台湾话来介绍几句，再用英语来介绍。
Thank you. Thank you. Can you hear me? This microphone you frankly have to swallow to make sure you're getting the right volume. Well, I had drafted a 15-page speech here, but looking at this audience, I think I'm just going to chuck it and speak rather briefly from the heart. But first, let me say a word about the organization that I now represent, the USA ROC Economic Council. We were founded 19 years ago in Chicago by David Kennedy.
But let me speak emotionally about what this is about in my mind. I think that I'm here tonight as the son of immigrants to honor immigrants and children of immigrants who have come here to try to make themselves better, and in doing so, making this country better. As I travel and visit businesses in Fremont, I find more and more that the entrepreneurs who start these businesses were not born in this country. They've come over here and they've invested and they've built themselves, they've built America, and it is very warm and
Happy New Year, all of you. thank you for inviting me this evening to start off the new year for the Chamber. I was really surprised when I heard that you've been gathered in established in 6 months. I attended many functions and few of them are so well attended with only 6 months of...
谢会长给我这么一个光荣的机会，可以代表金山以及湾区华侨文教服务中心来向我们北加州金山湾区台湾商会1年1度的盛会表达我们最。
Good evening, and on behalf of the Hong Kong Association and its board of directors, I would like to congratulate John Shea and the Taiwanese Chamber of Commerce on a successful event tonight, and wish all of you a happy New Year, and also a happy Chinese New Year that's coming in February.
谢会长、罗大伟主任先生、侨教中心蔡主任、海工会洪主任、侨委员张秋友先生、各位来宾、各位会员女士、先生们，大家晚安。首先，我代表北加州台商会从大20来参加旧金山湾区新春筹款晚会，内心里十分的高兴。 也借这个机会向湾区。
Glad to be here. It's snowing in Washington, so it's nice to be out in the warm weather. I also keep this short. I represent, and I'm proud to be here with the Taiwanese Chamber of Commerce, Cable and Wireless, and the Cable and Wireless Group. For those of you who don't know Cable and Wireless, it's the 5th largest.
谢会长，大家都晓得我们那个罗处长。 因为家里有事情，现在正在台北，所以他没办法亲自来。但是他这个回台北以前呢，他这个特别交代说，要代表他一定要来跟各位致意。那么我刚刚看到这个 program 啊，非常的感到
特别颁奖的就是张世昌夫妇的女儿，这次 SAT 竟然考满分，1600分。 大家鼓手欢迎。如果说是外国人考满分的话，这还大事还。
We have a special award tonight for a very gifted young lady. Her name is Emily Chen, and she scored 1600 on her SATs. We'd like to also welcome her parents and congratulate her as a second-generation Chinese American. So we always encourage.
我想我们先给他，好的。代表商会赠送给他一个Excellent SAT Sports Award。